Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good night, depending on where you're listening from. Welcome again to my channel this evening. My name is Dynamic Kitchen from Edinburgh, Scotland. This evening I'm going to show you how I'm going to make my Ogbono soup from Nigeria. You watch as I show you what I'm going to use in making this special recipe. So here I've got my beef, I've got my cow's nuts, I've got my dried fish. I'm going to wash this dried fish behind the camera with salt and warm water. Here I've got my onions. I chopped it very tiny so you can see. Got my crayfish here. Here I've got my stockfish. Stockfish is an option now. If you like, you can use fresh fish or any other fish of your choice. Here I've got my palm oil. Here is the ogbono, so the main recipe. So I've grinded it, so that's why it came out this way. And also I've got my vegetable here. The vegetable I'm using here is spinach, washed and sliced. And here I've got my salt. If you like, you can add more. I don't eat too much of that. Here I've got my jumbo. Jumbo is like Maggi. It's just Maggi, yeah. And here I've got my low-cost beans already grinded. So we call it Opeyi. So these are all what I'm going to use to prepare this dish. And it can go with pounded yam, it can go with gari, and it can also go with fufu. And I'm going to add the stockfish already washed and cleaned. I'm going to add my salt. And I'm going to add the onions. So then I'll add water, but I'm going to use the pressure cooker. I've said it before, our beef here is very stiff, it's very strong, so I use pressure cooker to cook the beef. So add water. So I'm going to leave it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes so that the stockfish and the beef will be soft. So as I wait for the beef to cook, I'll be washing the dry fish behind the camera with salt and warm water. I took it to the tap to run water on the pressure cooker so that I'll be able to open it. So here I'm going to transfer the beef, the stockfish and the have Snout. I'm going to add my black pepper. I'm using black pepper for this Ogbono soup. I didn't show it in the camera when I was showing my spices. So you can use Scotch bonnet pepper, any pepper we do, or dry pepper. On here too, I've also got my crayfish. I'm also going to add the Opeyi, the locust beans that I've already blended. For the Ogbono, one can add the Ogbono, or you add your oil inside the Ogbono. Or you can use microwave. You can put it in the microwave to melt it. It's like this because my Ogbono is already melted. It's time to add the Ogbono. I'm going to leave it to cook for like 15 minutes. If it's thick, you can always add water. Our soup has been boiling for more than 15 minutes now. So here I'm going to add the Maggi. Two jumbo Maggi. So here I'm going to add the fish, because I don't want the fish to pieces, because everything will just pieces if you add it on time earlier. So that's why I have to wait. So you allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. Then now add the vegetables. At this point, I'm going to add the vegetable. If you don't like too much vegetable, you can reduce it, but I like vegetables, so that's why. Our Ogbono soup with vegetables. So it will continue to cook for, let's say, another 10 minutes, because the vegetable is not going to be overcooked. So if you like what you have watched tonight, please don't fail to give this video a thumb up, share with friends and family, and leave a nice comment. Until we meet again next week at NKY'S Dynamic Kitchen from Edinburgh. Bye bye.